to be the director of training
You are?
for the famous Detail Academy. So it is a brand new kids. What do you expect? But Gar was awesome. Rupes was awesome. I got to see Sarah, and she
And we don't
asked how you were
use
doing.
poker chips for that type of thing. We
No,
only
no.
use them as decoration.
Yes, but it was a lot of fun. I had a great time.
So walking into North.
Is fun to smell.
So initial thoughts, I got to try it out.
Now we are entering the West Hall. As we're walking by, we run into amazing people. So we're going to go ahead and do a walk down the aisle, because walking down this back row, I feel like I'm missing. So here we have Buck and Shine.
I didn't pay.
There's your Able. All the people for you. So we got a lot of stuff. Here we got, as we all know, Coach Kemi is, you know, very good. The Rad Company booth. So we just left Griot. We're got broadcast. So as we have been looking, and I kept.
This is not a vinyl. This is a paint protection film.
So walking in.
Good morning. Good morning.
Ciao ragazzi, here we are once again.
Ragazzi, here we are once again. Now, last past week was SEMA. SEMA was a fun time. I had a great time going booth to booth. I got a cool shirt. I got this shirt from Mia right now.
Don't look at the back of this. This is creepy.
It's not. It's from Point Break, way before her time.
Even my friend Camila's scared of this.
They're kids. What do you expect? But Gar was awesome. Rupes was awesome. I got to see Sarah, and she asked how you were doing, and she was all excited. And we had a great conversation. We talked about you a lot. And then I saw Detailing Girl. I saw Esme, and she gave me a hug, and we took a picture together for you. We had a great time. Saw lots of cool stuff. Let's go through some of this quick stuff real fast, okay? So these are just bags. You get bags, right? You got a lint brush.
Lint brush, you always need those.
Yeah. Oh, I was supposed to bring this back to Flex and get a light shined on. I didn't really want a Flex polisher though, so it didn't really matter to me. Bunch of
sticker.
You know, tons of stickers, everything. We get these all the time. Mia loves stickers.
SEMA 2025 Rennies.
Doyle and Detailing Professionals. I went to the party. It was a great time, but I didn't get to stay that long because I came home. I wanted to go home and see Mia. I got some cool catalogs here, some more bags, tons of lanyards, you know, lots of cool stuff like that. A little mini clay towel. Hold on 1 second. Mia, let me get through real fast. Oh, hold this. You can go through some of the stuff.
Here is our new Rupes Rotary! So, this new Rupes Rotary is super cool. It even has its new book. And it is magnetic!
Yeah, so we did not get this yet, but we will be getting it because
Soon.
Mia definitely wants one. Here, let's scoot you back so I can get through because my belly's a little big.
Yeah.
All right, let's try this again. So we got a bunch of cool stuff here. This is a book, but we got lots of cool stickers.
Some stress balls.
Stress balls were the big fun thing that we were able to bunch of
Harry
booths.
Potter.
Yeah, little bolt of lightning. Got a little football one.
Football, like the sport
Yep.
that I cheer for.
Some cool keychains, things like that. And then tons and tons of lanyards. Now, we love lanyards. Got some business cards, got some cool poker chips, some bracelets, you know, some PPF tools, lots of fun stuff. And like as always, SEMA is a great time.
And we we don't use poker chips for that type of thing. We
No,
only use them as decoration.
Yes, but it's a lot of fun. I had a great time. I got some cool stuff from like Avant-Garde. I got ceramic detail spray. I did order some finishing polish that I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing with. Here, smell this. This smells so good to me. Like you could use this as cologne. It smells good. So good. Look,
Hello?
smells good, right? Amazing. I don't know there. What else to though? Oh, monthly glove box. I got to see Fred and Brad both at SEMA. It was great to see. I got a shirt. It's in the wash right now. We had a great time talking. We hung out in the Griot's booth with Rod Kraft and the owner of the car that was in the booth. So that was really impressive. He actually drives that car, which was incredible because that car is absolutely beautiful. So let's check it out. We got some cool stuff here. Schmidt. Not a wash pad because it's not one you put your hand in. It's a wash pad.
I would be like that.
You would just throw it?
Yeah, and then I would go like this and then I would just do that.
But in terms of a wash solid one, it looks pretty cool. I like it and I would probably use it. So we'll test it out. Here, go ahead, get up. You good? All right. We got a towel. Now this is like a glass cleaning towel. So it's got that like waffle weave. I prefer like a Huck towel, like a surgical towel, but we'll get more into that
Or
later.
synthetic clay.
That's synthetic clay. Yes, I was able to get that in one of the booths. But let's check out some of these products we got from High Luster. This is Crystal Blue Glass Cleaner. Let's give it a smell. What do you think?
It smells like bubbles.
It smells like bubbles? I think this smells like straight Windex. I do not like the smell. I give this a 10. What about you? No idea. Okay, Mia does not rate it. Let's move on to the next one. This is ceramic spray coating. Now this would be like a water-based. I like this one. I don't think Mia's gonna like it, but I like this one.
Does it smell like grape? Oh yeah.
Mia does not like the smell of grape because it reminds you of like grape medicine, doesn't it? And Mia does not like grape medicine.
It's the
but
worst flavor ever.
But I like the smell. I think it smells really good. Let's check out this Wash and Shine concentrated car wash soap.
I like eating normal grapes, so I haven't grape.
Ooh. Now this is good.
Does it smell like cherry?
I like this. This is an 8 out of 10 just on smell.
What's out of 210? 210 out of 210.
I got both of these as an 8 out of 10. Don't hit the microphone. Then we got, what is this? This is interior and exterior dressing. This is like a 9. This smells amazing.
This tastes like bubblegum.
This smells like banana. This is incredible.
It smells like a banana flavor.
Whatever you say. What do you think this is out of 10?
210 out of 210.
210. Okay. All right. So, what do you think of that, about this month's glove box? I have no idea what that means.
That means it's cool.
As you can see, we have a lot going on right now. SEMA, glove box. Oh, we got a new car.
Yeah, and it's not rental.
We got a Hyundai Ioniq 5 with a matte paint.
Gold? Real gold?
No, it's the color. But it came with a matte car care kit. What was funny is it's from Dr. Beasley.
Yay!
It was the salesman was telling me all about it, and I was like, yeah, I'm a trainer for Dr. Beasley.
Yeah, he is.
So I know all about this kit.
He has his own shirt.
And this comes with our matte body wash. Do you want to give all these smells? I don't think you've smelled all these.
I don't know this.
Okay, let's give them a smell.
Have I ever cleaned a matte car?
I don't think you have. I don't think you've done matte before. So we'll open this up. Nice clean smell, right? You don't like it? Mia does not like the matte body wash. Like it's like a nice clean smell. It doesn't smell like it's over the top with any like fragrances or anything like this. Now this is matte paint cleanser. So you want to do this to remove tough contaminants like bugs and things that are stuck to.
And like bacteria.
Now this one does have a little bit of a smell. I'm not a big fan of this one, but we'll see how Mia likes it.
It smells kind of like bubbles.
Yeah, but it's got this like kind of citrusy like smell, but it's not strong. It's got a weird smell. Then we have matte final finish, which is basically the version of a detail spray for matte. And this one's me. So I don't know how Mia will think about this one.
It smells like that one thing where you make a chemical reaction.
Oh, and then we have matte paint coating. Now this is a water-based, you spray water on and then you rub it in and things like that. So this one,
Is it the smallest out of all of them?
Yeah, so this is going to go on all the paint, and we're going to use it to protect.
Only on matte surfaces?
Yeah, but this one doesn't really smell.
Good.
Yeah, so it's one of these things where a lot of the products are really good and they work really well, especially with matte, but they don't really have the most amazing smells, at least for the matte line. A lot of their other products do have a good smell, or they smell very in comparison to a lot of other things, but we still have more to talk about. I mean, crazy things like I'm starting a new position tomorrow or today. This video comes out today. I am starting a new position today.
What is it?
I am going to be the director of training.
You are?
For the famous Detail Academy. So it is a brand new detailing academy opening in the Valley here in the LA area.
He's a director.
And I am going to be responsible for all trainings, everything that we bring in and everything that we do in-house. I have been detailing for way too long.
Like so many years.
And at this point, I've been training people for about a decade as well.
Decade?
Which is over 10 years. 10 years is a decade. I have been training and teaching people for a long time, and everything from on the job, like car wash polishing, to PPF, touch-up training,
paint protection film,
ceramic installation training, all those different things. And
window cleaning, which you're going to do, or did you already do that? Because
no, you were watching as I was writing up my training documents and things like that. So
yeah, because everyone hates windows.
Apparently,
I
don't know why either, because they're so easy to clean. So easy.
Yeah,
but we're going to.
People are super scared to do that because they don't know the right speed, because they think they're going to break the window.
I know, and I don't know why. They're not Superman. They're not strong like that. They're just going to push through a window.
They are Wonder Woman.
They're not that strong. I mean, everybody thinks they're strong, but they're not that strong.
Look at me, I'm not too strong.
But yeah, we are going to have a lot of fun. We're going to bring a lot of teaching and continued education to the Valley of Los Angeles, and to those outside. Well, we're going to be one-day pop-up clinics and brand trainings, and morphing classes, and going to 3-day and 5-day trainings as well, where we get to implement a lot of new techniques, technologies, and procedures into the area. The area is filled with a lot of car wash guys who are doing things that it's a needed job. Everybody needs mobile car wash, but we want those guys who are making $30 a car to expand their skill set so they can charge $100, $125, $150. We want them to make more money. We want the market to grow. We want people to learn and help each other. We want to build the community. So
yeah, no more ego.
No more ego. We want people to really grow and learn and just have a community and a great time together. So we're working on that. We're building it. Stay tuned, because we have a lot coming, a lot in store, and I'm excited. Are you excited? we're going to do some classes that are going to be really fun. We're going to focus on pro level detailers, pro level car wash guys. We're going to expand to brand. And then we want to get the enthusiast market, people who just clean their own car. But also, one of the best things about bonding that me and Mia have done is working together, doing cars and having fun together.
Have a team where you actually trust each other.
And we want everybody to be able to do that with their kids. And we want to get a group of girls together. Yeah, and people like Sarah, if we get a chance, to all come out, do some trainings, and have some fun together. I think it's going to be really great for the industry, and I cannot wait. How about?
I can't wait too. I'm super excited.
I think it's going to be fun and to show off your skills and ability. I mean, Mia is 7 years old. She runs beads with the rotary. She is polishing. She's sanding. She's doing PPF. She's doing every and anything. And you can too.
The big rotary I did on max speed. 6 is the max speed, and
So while you're scared of a rotary and you may feel that it's a daunting task, we don't, and we will teach you how to use it properly. I can't wait. I'm excited. Don't forget to like and subscribe and start following the Famous Detail Academy on Instagram. We're going to be on YouTube. We're probably going to make a TikTok as well. And social media constructs that pop up. So
you're going to have a lot of interviews now.
Well, the interviews and the stuff that we do on our own is going to stay with us. But we are going to focus on learning and product demos and things like that. So if you're interested in learning more about a certain product, if you're interested in learning how to use something, send us a message, leave us a comment. Detail Academy, and we will be explaining it all in depth, in detail, especially if it's something that we're carrying in-house. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I've had fun, and we are going to continue to grow. And just me and Mia are going to have fun with Arte Automobilistica, and we're going to have fun with the new thing too. So thank you all for joining us as always. It is everybody who I saw at SEMA, saw at the IDA meet and greet, and who I saw at Rennie's party. Thank you so much, Rennie and Rennie's wife. Thank you so much for your hospitality and just the way you greet us every time I see you. I appreciate all the love within the industry, all the various people I saw, took pictures with. I cannot thank you enough, and I will talk to you all soon. Just really looking forward to everything. Thank you so much. Bye.
Adios, amigos.